This is our new farm, and this is our Doberman, Eros. He is so pretty. Eros is almost 3 years old, and he's lived in the inner city his whole life. He is used to crowded places, cafes, bikes, and buses, but the countryside with its tranquility and all those new smells, that's exciting. Of all the things to do here on the farm, we've started by surrounding the entire area with a 600-meter fence, originally meant for sheep, just so that Eros can roam freely in here. This is the type of behavior I'm looking for when I have him, like, not on the leash. Because when he starts to get kind of excited over some smell on the ground, that's when I know he could be gone. But at the moment we have put up fence around the entire garden, or kind of the entire farm. Oh, so you're not getting anywhere. Someone said that the happier life you set up for your dog, the happier you become yourself, and that's very true.
Duktig du är. You good boy. Good boy.
Jag gör min lilla Oj, förlåt. Det var dags att hjälpa mormor lite grann också, inte bara på mammas sida.
Eros. Hej.
Inte hålla på så.
Ja, men hej. Nu är det bra. Nu är det bra. Oj. Ja, det var inte så långt.
Inte så långt. Tack.
Eros.
Tack. Tack. Åh jävlar!